we're going to review briefly about what we've learned, and then we're going to start our new unit, which is Microsoft Publisher. So real quickly, we're going to go over the language, the terms with Microsoft Word. So what are each of these called?
Groups.
Groups, good. What are each of these called?
Tabs.
Tabs, good. What's this little down arrow called?
Dropbox.
Nope, you guys know it.
Dialog.
Dialog box, good. And then what's this called? When I click the arrow to make everything come down?
Dropbox.
Yes, Dropbox, drop down arrow, yes, good. Whenever we do our assignment today, you will have to work with a partner, and you will have to be using those languages. So tell them, like, go to tab, group, and I'll explain it whenever we do our assignment. Okay, I just want to briefly go over that. Make sure, refresh your memory. So today we're going to work with Microsoft Publisher. How many of you guys have used Publisher before? White, Taylor's my only one. Okay. Publisher is used for publication. So Microsoft Word, we talked about how it's used for documents, creating letters. You can type your papers, your school papers with Microsoft Word. It's similar to your guys' Google Docs. Publisher, there's not a Google equivalent. So that's why it's important that you learn it now. So when you create flyers, banners, posters, that's what it's for. Publisher is the publications application for Microsoft Word. Okay, so when you first open up Publisher, it looks very similar to Microsoft Word. Okay, we will usually always work with blank documents because I don't like to use templates. What are templates? You guys know what templates are?
No.
Yes, you do. Whenever we did the mail merges, and we did the mailing labels, and you guys clicked the preset format. Remember now? Yes, documents that you can change. Thank you, Reagan. Okay, so you're going to do a blank document. As you can see here, this is what your page will look like. Similar to Microsoft Word? Yeah, there's a few things that are different. So the assignment that you're going to do today will be in Microsoft Publisher. We're going to do, I want to see what you guys know, so that's what the assignment is about. So I'm going to give you your instructions. Actually, no. First, we're going to do a mix and pair. Like we've done before, I'm going to play music. You guys will just mix up. Then you guys will partner up. And then I will give you guys instructions. Okay? So everyone go ahead and stand up for me. Go towards the middle of the room. Of the floor, sorry. And let me put on some music for you guys. Oh, I might be wrong. Okay, ready? When the music stops, I'll tell you your next set of instructions. Okay, mix around. Okay, stop. Okay, oh good, you guys already know. High five the partner or the person closest to you and say, hello partner, there will not be a group of 3. We have everyone here today, so there will not be a group of 3. So, yep, Wyatt and Jordan, you guys are partners. Okay, now each partner go find a table to work at. Okay, you guys count down to 5, you need to be seated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, perfect. If you are not already logged on, please get logged on to your computer. So like I said, Publisher is used for publications, to create banners, flyers, posters. I had my desktop publishing at the very beginning of the year, start off with creating FBLA flyers in Publisher. So that way they could learn, and so those flyers that you saw recruiting FBLA, that was used in Publisher. They created that in Publisher. So today you guys are going to create an image. The steps I have here, though, are not very specific. So they don't say go to the Insert tab, go to this group, click this. It tells you what you need to do. So, for example, the first one says, open up a blank document in Microsoft Publisher. Okay, step 1. Step 2, make sure you can see the rulers and guides on the page. So I don't tell you where those are located, so I want to see if you're able to find them. Feel free to ask questions, but try to find it on your own. I gave you guys partners so you guys can also work together. So the partner roles, because I do firmly believe that partners should have roles. So partner 1, if I'm working with Wyatt Taylor here, partner 1 will do the work. They will do everything on the computer. Partner 2, however, will tell partner 1 what to do. So for example, step 2, we're just going to go ahead and do step 2. Make sure you can see the rulers and guides on the page. So if I am working with Wyatt, I will say, okay, Wyatt, we need to go to, let's just try the View tab. I don't have my markers. Sorry, guys. I'll tell him, let's go to the View tab. Make sure you're using the specific language. View tab. And then we need to go to the Show group. Remember, because each one of these is called group. And then we need to check rulers, so I can see my rulers. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and pass these out. There you go. So go ahead and decide who's partner 1, who's partner 2. And then I want to see you hold it up in the air if you are 1 or 2. Hold up finger 1 or hold up 2 fingers so I can see. Can I see it? Perfect. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so partner 1, you're starting off with the computer first. Partner 2, you're explaining. Any questions? Okay, when you are done, your image should look similar to this one. And I will also put it on the projector so you can see. It won't look identical, but it should look very similar. For those of you that want to challenge yourself, I can give you that image instead of the steps. And you can try and create the image rather than using the steps. Anyone want to try that? No? Okay, that's okay. All right, go ahead and get started.
Using the word or text at the top, let's insert in order. Do one of the so do one of the go to the text. Okay, but change the font where so highlight it. Alright. Change the font of the word art to Comic Sans MX. Comic Sans MX.
Use your keyboard shortcut to do undo.
Change where fill the color you want.
Okay. Because you were editing the text, correct?
Yeah.
And now up here, this gives you your word art tools. Somewhere in here, you can edit your text without having to delete
Change the word word art outline to gray.
Using any of the shapes create two different
Like a dark. Yeah. Do you want to change that? Using any of the shapes, create two different snowflakes on. Alright, so go to the insert tab. Press the drop box for shape. And then we're going to create. So we could like use arrows. We could use it. And then number copy paste it.
So maybe
Okay, I want everyone to stop. Put your hands up. I want partners to switch now. Okay? Yep, switch. Okay, so now partner 2. You are now controlling the computer, so you are partner 1. Ideally, partner 1, you are now partner 2. So you are helping them, guiding them, telling them where they need to go. Partner 1/2, make sure when you're on the computer, you are not just doing everything. I should see interaction between 2. Okay, go ahead and get back to that. You don't know how to do that, or you do?
Those are braces. I don't know what they were.
Okay, so I see most of you guys are on the snowflake. So I want to redirect you, remind you to keep in mind the keyboard shortcuts for copy and pasting. That can be a great tool to use when you're making your snowflakes. For example, the arrows that I used here, I made one white because I do believe in step 10 it says make sure, make it so that the snowflakes are white. So I went ahead and made mine white, and then I just copied and pasted that. And then I rotated it to be the way I wanted it to be. That's a little hint for you guys. Hint. Okay. Sorry. Go back to it.